Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So in the previous video we have successfully completed this showing of this handling of these answers, right? So when I select wrong answer, so we are displaying that one in the red color, and we are showing ultimately we are showing the correct answer also with the green color. Fine. Now when the user has been successfully selected the answer, now we need to provide user a button, that is nothing but a next button, to go into the next question. So how we can do this one? Let's try to see it. So for this one, what I can do is I will create a new component, that is next button. Okay, next button.js. So this is the component which I will try to create it, and here export default function, and I will be having next button. Okay, and in this one we will return div. Okay, and here also I will close the div, and we'll have a button. So that button also will use the same thing, class name is equal to btn start-btn. We already did it, right? And here I will use next. Okay, so this is the next button. Let's go to the app.js file. In this app.js file, so here we are having this next button, right? This is the question. So below the question we need to show the next button. Okay, next button, I will show it, and this should be with a fragment. Why? Because so it is having two elements, so it should have one root element. Fine. Now you will be able to see a next button here. So in this next button, what I will do is I will have one style, and in this style I will have margin top of around 10 pixel, and we can have a text align to end. So now if you try to see, here we are having a next button. So now if I try to refresh this page, if I click on this one, so the next button is there directly, we are showing it, right? So we should not show the next button at the starting. So when the user has successfully selected the answer, then only we need to show the next button. So for this one, what I need to do, here I need to send the new answer. So this is the answer only, right? So what the user has selected, so I will select the new answer. Sorry. So we have selected the new answer, and this new answer we need to capture it here, new answer. So here I can write that if not of new answer, if new answer is not there means, then we can directly return the null. So that means we should not show any HTML. If you refresh this page and if you click on this, let's start. So here we are not showing any next button. If I successfully select the answer, then we are showing a next button. So this is the how we will be showing. So up to now here everything is working fine. So now we are able to show the next button. So the next thing what I want to do is when I click on this next button, I need to show the next question. How we can do it? So what I need to do, I need to increase the index of this question. So we are having an index 0, right? We need to increase the index so that automatically the question will be increased. So now how can I do it? So here I need to send the dispatch again for this one. Dispatch is equal to dispatch. So now here in the next button, so here on I will catch this dispatch, and here I will provide where is this one? Yeah, on click is equal to dispatch. I will use the dispatch, and I will try to send the output. So what I will try to send the output is, so here the action, sorry, the type will be that is around the type will be, what is I can say is next question. Okay, so the type will be next question. So now when we catch this next question, let's go into our app.js file. So here in our switch case, let's go to the switch case. Yeah, here I will be having a case next question. So when we are having a next question, I need to return the state, the same state I need to return it, but this time I need to return the index. So whatever the index is there, so state.index +1, I need to increase it to +1. So fine, everything I hope that it is working fine. So here I have selected the correct answer, fine, and next go to the next. So this time what it is trying to do, it is trying to select the answer directly. Why? Because it has already been answered. So this is not the way. So what I need to do here, whenever we move on to the next question, I need to make the answer also as null. So why? Because so here the answer should be again new one. Now let's start it here. So now, let's refresh this page. Let's go here. Yeah, I will select the earth. It's a wrong. Next. Why this one is again coming? Let's try to do it again. Oh, answer, not answer. This one should be new answer. Okay. So now let's refresh this page again and let's click on this. And here if I click select correct answer, if I go here, next it is trying to do. So which gas do plants absorb from atmosphere during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. This one we know, right? Already we have learned in our earlier. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? We know that William Shakespeare. So like this we can go on selecting the question. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Means AuRm. Which continent is the driest and the hottest on the earth? Is Africa. So driest means Antarctica, I think, and hottest is also means both the things Africa. In which year did Christopher Columbus first reach the Americas? So when he reached it, I think 1588. I don't know. So let me know in your comments. I will not select the answer. So let me know in your comments. I am thinking it's a 1588, maybe between 1588 and 1776. I don't know. All are looking correct only. I don't know the correct year. So let's try to see it. So let me know in the comments about that one. So that's it, guys. Now we have implemented the quiz and next is working fine. And what I want to do is, so here when the user is selecting, actually if you try to see in our questions, okay, in our console, in our questions, we also have a points for this one. So whenever the user selects the correct answer, so we need to allocate him the points so that at the end we can show him how many points he has gained out of total questions. So for this one what we can do is, so here the points he has earned, so here points I can make it as a 0. So when I need to give him the points, so that is nothing but when he selects the new answer. When he selects the new answer, then we need to assign him the points. So how can I assign him? So let's try to first capture the question. So what is the question we are having? So that is nothing but state dot questions. So we have the state dot questions of state dot index. So whatever the index we are having, so we'll be having the question. So we got the question. Okay. So here what I can say is constant points is equal to, okay, constant points is equal to, we'll take it as a state dot points. Okay, first we'll take it as a state dot points. So whatever the points is having is now if question dot correct answer, if question dot correct answer is equal to new answer. So if the answer has been selected, it is questions dot correct answer is correct, then what we need to do, so points, we will try to increment the points. So here I can use it as a let points is equal to points plus question. So whatever the question we are having dot points. So that's it. So this is the logic which I would try to implement it. So here new answer. So here there is nothing but state dot new answer. So these points we will try to add it here. That's it. So now whenever the user selects the point, so for example here if you try to see in the console or otherwise in the network or otherwise in the components, so we have the reducer, right? In the app we have a reducer and we have in the reducer we have the points. Where is that one? So still we didn't get it. Let's refresh this page again. So we should get the points this time. So here in our reducer, so we have the points 0. Now when I click on this one, so I selected the correct answer. So immediately the points has to increment to 10. It has not been incremented. So what could be the issue here? So we got the question, we got the points, and if question dot correct answer, so we got the questions, in this question we got the correct answer, and here the new answer is also Jupiter and the correct answer is also state dot new answer. It is also correct. Okay. Afterwards we are trying to upload the new answer. So this one will not work. What can we do here to increase the points for this one? So we need to rethink again. Why? Because so this time when the new answer is there, that new answer is not get updated by the time, right? So now when the user clicks on the next question. So when he clicks on the next question, so then only we need to update it. So that's the only correct way, I'm thinking. So we'll try to change the logic if you want. So here I will try to update the points. Okay, so now let's try to implement the same thing. So now let's start. So now the user has selected cannot access points. What is this? Before initialization, cannot access points before initialization. Let points if question dot. What is wrong is there? Oh, sorry. Here I need to remove this one. Yeah. So now let's refresh this page. Now if you try to click on the let's start, and here if I go to the Jupyter, now let's go to the app, and here we are having the reducer. So I have selected this time the correct point. Now I click on the next. So this time, yeah, we got the 10 points. Now I will select the wrong answer. Carbon dioxide is the correct answer. Now if I click on the next, so index has been upgraded to 2, but still the points is 10 only. Why? Because the second one what I have selected is wrong. So now we are able to successfully update the points also. Now we are able to get the points also. So now what we will try to do is we will try to show the points, how many points the user has been gained when he is trying to go to the next. And also he'll try to see how many questions left out and what are the points he needs to gain. So he'll try to see it. So that's it guys about this one. So hope you understood about this code. So getting what I can say is, so here showing the next button. So that is the main thing which we have did it here. So I will commit this code in a new branch video-91, and here also I will commit this code next button display. Okay, so I will commit this code and I will publish this branch. So that's it guys about this one. So hope you understood about this concept. So what I will try to do is, so if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.